folks, has your car ever had issues like this? Loud engine noise, rough idling vibration, high fuel consumption and lack of power, slight abnormal sounds, minor oil burning. In such cases, it's not necessarily an engine hardware failure, like spark plugs or fuel injectors. About 70% of the causes result from internal friction and wear in the engine. After all, the engine is a moving mechanical part. As operating time increases, internal wear becomes more severe. Components like connecting rod bearings and piston cylinders will experience wear. Increased wear leads to greater operating resistance, eventually causing loud noise, high fuel consumption, and poor power. To reduce wear, extend engine life, and add another 100,000 to 200,000 kilometers. Using engine anti-wear additive is essential. Applying this anti-wear additive is straightforward. If you've just changed oil, add 1 bottle directly to the engine. Before adding it, the change in engine sound afterward is noticeable. If your car needs an oil change, add it together with new oil into the engine. Typically, use 100 milliliters per approximately 5 liters of oil. The anti-wear additive works by activating nanomolecules when friction creates heat. Nanomolecules rapidly activate, adhering to worn spots on cylinder walls, grooves, and scratches, forming a nano-eutectic protective layer, repairing engine's internal wear spots. Reduced engine wear means reduced noise, preventing future oil burning, vibration, and blue smoke. With prolonged engine lifespan, future repair costs significantly decrease. Moreover, Profi anti-wear additive uses German-imported base fluid, carries German TÜV certification, with its own R&D lab in Germany, not some small workshop rebranded product. Ordinary additives require 4 bottles per 20,000 kilometers, losing effectiveness after 1 oil change. Using 1 bottle of Profi maintains performance even after oil changes.